Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Friday. I just wanted to create this video to go over what you're going to be doing with your guest teacher today. And part of class, you're going to be watching a couple videos. One is going over the courage to do what's right, and another one by Denzel Washington is having that mindset of greatness. And so before watching the video, I've talked a lot about the character that you show, the patterns that we're forming every day. Those things matter. It's very important. And so I hope you have an opened mind while you watch this video to take in and think about who you want to be as a person and starting those habits now. And so as you watch the video, enjoy it. Be respectful of your classmates by keeping your conversation to voice level 0. And then after the video, your guest teacher is going to pass out a worksheet that looks like this. And on this sheet, you're going to see there are 8 quotes, 4 from the first video, 4 from the second video. And out of those 8 quotes, I want you to read through them. And then on your sheet, you're going to choose 2 of them that connect with you, that you think you agree with, that means a lot to you, and you can apply for yourself, and you would write those 2 quotes here. So let's just say you wanted this one, you really liked it. Well, that's quote number 8. You would write number 8, and then a reflection of why does that make, why is it important to you, how does it connect, and give reasons why. And so that's what you're going to do for this video, and it's a good one. Enjoy, be respectful to your classmates about it, and happy Friday.